Claude. What is Claude Code? Claude Code is an AI assistant that can think, read, and help humans who are using computer. With Claude, kids can learn and code in a fun and in an engaging way. Claude Code supports many languages like Java, JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, C and C++, and SQL. Why do we use Claude Code? Claude Code makes it saves time. It makes coding easier, faster, and it also makes it more fun. How Claude Code helps? It helps in writing code. It explains code. It fixes errors, and it also finds error. And if the code is if the code is not good, it will suggest for a better code. How Claude helps kids learn? Claude makes coding easy for kids, encouraging to explore their creativity. Kids can create fun projects like game, apps, and building confidence with AI support while learning valuable skills. Safety of Claude and responsible AI design. Claude is designed to be safe, helpful and honest. It avoids harmful content and follows rules to help people. Responsible to create ensuring a safe environment for all the users. The exciting future of coding. Claude will make building apps faster and more efficient. In schools, students will coding easily with AI support and making technology accessible and fun for everyone, which inspires young people. Thank you. Do you have any questions?